The Sony A7R VI is arguably the most anticipated high-resolution camera in recent years, and as we move through May 2026, the sheer volume of leaked specifications and internal reports suggest that Sony is about to redefine the boundaries of full-frame photography once again. For years, the R series has been the gold standard for detail-oriented professionals, but what we are seeing in these latest updates isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a fundamental shift in how artificial intelligence and sensor technology interact to capture the world around us. Industry insiders are pointing toward a sensor that doesn't just boast higher megapixels, but introduces a completely new architecture designed to handle the massive data throughput required for next-generation imaging. If you have been sitting on the fence about upgrading your current gear, the information emerging this month might just be the deciding factor that changes your workflow forever. We are talking about capabilities that were once reserved for medium-format systems, now being compressed into a compact, ergonomically refined body that fits in the palm of your hand. The rumors surrounding the core of this machine suggest a staggering jump in resolution, with many reliable sources pointing toward a 90 to 100 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. While some might argue that such high resolution is overkill for the average user, Sony is targeting the elite tier of commercial, landscape, and fashion photographers who demand every ounce of texture and latitude possible. But the real magic isn't just in the pixel count. It is in the dual-layered transistor technology that was first whispered about years ago and is now reportedly reaching its final production stage for the A7R VI. This technology allows for significantly better light gathering and dynamic range, meaning that even at 100 megapixels, the noise performance in low-light environments could potentially surpass the current 61 megapixel standard of the previous generation. Imagine capturing a moonlit landscape where you can crop into a tiny fraction of the frame and still see individual grains of sand with perfect clarity. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This leap in sensor design is coupled with a brand new processing engine, likely the BIONZ XR2, which is specifically tuned to manage the astronomical data rates of high-res files without the camera overheating or slowing down. Speed has historically been the Achilles heel of high-resolution cameras, but the May 2026 leaks suggest that those days are officially over. We are hearing reports of 20 to 30 frames per second at full resolution with complete autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. This is made possible by the integration of a dedicated AI processing unit that is significantly more powerful than the one found in the A7R VI. This unit doesn't just recognize humans, animals, and vehicles. It is rumored to feature predictive intent technology. This means the camera's autofocus system can actually analyze the trajectory of subject and prep the focus motor before the movement even happens. Whether it's a bird suddenly taking flight or a mountain biker emerging from a shadow, the A7R VI is being designed to ensure that missing a shot due to focus lag is a thing of the past. For the first time, a high-res monster is behaving like a sports flagship, blurring the lines between the R and the A1 series in a way that will force competitors to completely rethink their roadmaps. The video capabilities are also seeing a massive overhaul, moving beyond the 8K 30p limitations of the past. The latest leaks indicate that the A7R VI will support 8K 60p video with full pixel readout and no crop, utilizing the full width of that massive new sensor. For filmmakers, this means unparalleled flexibility in post-production, allowing for 4K crops that still retain incredible sharpness and depth. There's also talk of 12-bit internal recording and a new cooling structure borrowed from the cinema line, ensuring that even during long takes in the summer heat, the camera remains stable. The inclusion of S-Cinetone and a revamped S-Log4 profile suggests that Sony is pushing for a more filmic look straight out of the camera, catering to the growing demographic of hybrid creators who need to deliver top-tier stills and cinema-quality video from a single device. The body itself is rumored to feature a 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder with a refresh rate that makes it feel like you're looking through optical glass, providing a lag-free experience that is essential for precision work. One of the most discussed leaks this month involves the connectivity and workflow features. With files as large as those produced by a 100-megapixel sensor, moving data quickly is a major concern. Sony is reportedly including Wi-Fi 7 support and a dual-slot configuration that supports both CF Type A and the newer, faster Type B cards to provide users with options for speed and capacity. Furthermore, there are whispers of integrated cloud syncing capabilities that allow the camera to upload low-res proxies or even full-size JPGs directly to a server as you shoot, making it a dream tool for news and event photographers who are under tight deadlines. The ergonomics are also seeing a subtle but important evolution, with a deeper grip and more tactile buttons designed for use with gloves, reflecting the camera's positioning as a tool for extreme environments.